Hi, Vanessa Donaldson here, your reset coach. Today I'm talking about nature breaks. So get ready, set, slow. Slow down. Don't rush. Take a break with me. Doing the van life has taught me the value and importance of getting back to nature. How can nature inspire, connect, and guide you? My inspiration comes from the Holy Bible. When you experience anxiety, read 1 Peter chapter 3, verse 14. But even if you should suffer for what is right, you are blessed. Do not fear their threats. Do not be frightened. Recharge your life. To continue our conversation, you can reach me at resetwithvanessa.com.